New planning application. For comparison purposes, we have put a copy of the consented land use plan on screen next to the proposed land use plan. The new planning application principally relates to the delivery of homes in the remaining southern and central residential parcels at Wolsey Park. In submitting a new outline application for these areas, we are seeking to make three key changes to the original 2016 permission. These are: number 1, additional non-residential use space; number 2, a revised density plan; and number 3, amended residential development parcels. We will take a few minutes to explain these changes in more detail. 1. Additional non-residential space. Following overwhelming interest from multiple businesses, additional land has been identified within the site which could be used to provide additional local community services. It is proposed that a further 0.3 hectares of land adjacent to Raworth Industrial Estate is reserved for non-residential uses, such as retail, food and drink, creche, day nursery, or general office, amongst other possible uses. If no operator is found, this land would revert to public open space. 2. Revised density plan. The 2016 Outline Planning Permission is limited to the provision of 500 homes. To date, 312 homes have been approved at Wolsey Park using 8.4 hectares of residential land. This represents an average density of 37.1 homes per hectare. To comply with the 2016 Outline Planning Permission, a maximum of 188 homes can be built across the remaining 7.3 hectares of residential land. This would mean building at a much lower average density of 25.8 homes per hectare for the remainder of the site. This would represent an inefficient use of land. The lower density means a loss of 83 potential new homes and the loss of 29 affordable homes on an allocated residential site. Our new outline planning application includes a revised density plan which aligns with the approved densities on the northern part of the site. As a result, the overall density across the site would be 37.6 homes per hectare. This revised density plan allows us to provide smaller and lower priced homes alongside the family houses. The proposed density plan retains the same design principles as originally approved, with lower densities on steeper parts of the site and towards adjacent farmland. And thirdly, amended residential parcels. In the original 2016 Planning Permission, 34% of Wolsey Park is designated to provide new homes. By contrast, over 50% of Wolsey Park is to be used as open space. As part of the new outline planning application, it is proposed that approximately 3.5 hectares of the site is reallocated to provide new homes as shown on the plan on screen now. This would result in 41% of Wolsey Park being used to provide new homes. That would mean that 48% is retained as open space. That is over 3 times the amount required by open space standards. In total, these changes would result in 222 additional homes being provided in a sustainable location close to shops and local services. Of these, 35% would be affordable, which would mean a total of 253 affordable homes being provided at Wolsey Park. This could reduce the council's current waiting list for an affordable home by 1/3. In contrast, under the original outline permission, only 175 affordable homes would be provided across the site, as shown by the graph on screen. Making best use of development land is a requirement of the government's National Planning Policy Framework. Specifically, paragraph 123 of the 2019 NPPF requires planning authorities to avoid homes being built at low densities and ensure that developments make optimal use of the potential of each site.